in one day and no tax. It is innovation. She was in power, but she knew how to make money. Till today she cannot be convicted. She says कि मेरा बर्थडे हुआ, मेरे घर के अंदर लोगों ने 50 करोड़ दे दिया एक दिन के अंदर. कोई 100 दे गया, कोई 50 दे गया, कोई 10,000 दे गया. कौन देगा मेरे को क्या पता. मैंने बैंक में जमा करा दिया, उसके ऊपर टैक्स दे दिया. तुम्हारे क्या प्रॉब्लम है. This is also business. तो every politician is now doing the same thing. बर्थडे, बच्चे का बर्थडे, बच्चे का बर्थडे, ग्रैंडसन का बर्थडे, नौकर का बर्थडे, कुत्ते का बर्थडे, सबका बर्थडे. For a business manager, this is one idea. Because ultimately managers are playing with ideas, innovations. You can use this idea to reform your own idea. So when you are going, you must know what is happening, you must have the complete information. Then you say, what are the surroundings, where it is happening. Why Arvind Kejriwal has chosen Delhi as a target point? Why not Bombay? Mukesh Ambani is in Bombay. Why not Hyderabad? When he protests about Salman Khurshid's so-called fake camps, why in Delhi go to Farrukhabad, where the camps did not take place? Because the people are beneficiaries in that area only. You will be able to collect those people there because Arvind Kejriwal knows, as manager you must also know, what strategy of mine will get me maximum mileage and recall value. When you are promoting a brand, you know how to create a brand with spending less and less money. So where becomes more important? Like Infosys, I am giving an example, most successful firm in India, after that now it is going down, that's a different issue. It doesn't advertise, but it is the most sought after brand in the world, one of the most. Because the people are using the media all over the place, from Washington to Delhi, to promote the brand. Why? We're talking about each other. They are from IIT. 5 of them collected together, made thousands of crores and got out of it. Because their objective was to promote a firm, make it a brand, and then sell it when it was expensive, then join the politics like Nandan Nilekani has done it. So where it is happening is important for your own brand promotion, because you will have the power to define what will happen in politics. Because businessmen are able to influence politics these days because they have the power of information. I remember earlier, businessmen would not get an appointment with the finance minister. When VP Singh was finance minister, he would not meet any industrialist. They will wait outside his house or office to see him. He said, मेरे से क्या काम है आपका? Why should I meet you? You send a letter, I will reply, take a decision accordingly that. Now what happened? Industrialists go in advance to China, to America, and even the Prime Minister have to depend on some of the industries and other people like Mr. Rajat Gupta. Have you heard of Rajat Gupta? Most of you must have seen. How many people have heard about Rajat Gupta? So managers have heard. Don't follow his example. They were seeking his services to fix an appointment in America. Prime Minister of India, Finance Minister of India. So that reflects that your power has gone down, their power has gone up because you allowed them to do the business in India at their terms. They become richer, and now you have to fly with them, fix your meetings. So when I am talking about where, you must understand the situation around you. First you must find out what is happening, you must have full information about that. Then where it is happening, then why it is happening. We don't ask the question why. आज की यंग जनरेशन कोई क्वेश्चन पूछती नहीं है वाई ये क्यों किया, अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ये क्यों किया, कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स क्यों नहीं लगता, मेट्रो बन रही है, 18,000 करोड़ रुपए खर्च हो गया इंडिया दिल्ली के अंदर, जिसमें 20 लाख लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं. इस 18,000 करोड़ में कुछ और बन सकता था कि नहीं बन सकता, क्यों नहीं बन सकता था. ये ओवरग्राउंड कितना क्यों चल रहा है, नीचे क्यों नहीं चल रहा है. These lines which they have connected, are they covering the right societies or localities or not? एयरपोर्ट बना है तो कितने खर्चे में बना है. दिल्ली में so much of traffic, why so many cars are there? If the cars concession दे दिया इतना, the car के ऊपर loans, now you get the cheapest loan. They influence the politics of this country. The car loan banks have been told to give car loan, the cheaper thing. Every young boy wants to buy a car because the EMI you can afford. So many cars are being added in this country, but there are no roads. You go to any city, Bombay, it is better to walk from one place to another than get into a car. I was in Chennai yesterday, where this Neelam was supposed to come. I have been going to Chennai for the last 32 years. Earlier I used to go from one place to another from airport, which is Minambarka Bay Airport. Even now the airport is the same. It's a better airport than it was 30 years ago. From that place to the hotel where I used to stay in 1980, it used to take me 35 minutes. A single road. Now it is 4 lanes. It takes me 1 hour and 49 minutes. Yesterday I took 1 hour 49 minutes. My office, which is a little outside Madras, Indian Express office, it took me 2 hours. So are you making India much more livable than making it problematic? 2 hours which I spent on the road, thank God because I had the BlackBerry, I can do certain business on BlackBerry. If I had no BlackBerry, what will happen? For 2 hours I am using fuel, I am polluting the environment, I am working with a BlackBerry which is also not good for me according to scientific studies. What have we gained? We have grown. Our finance minister says we have grown, Prime Minister says we have grown. Look at the telephone numbers we have got. We have got 800 million, 900 million mobile phones. No? They are claiming. Anybody knows about it? 900 million. No? How many people know this? 900. No? Do you believe it is correct?
It's not correct.
Why?
Because as I say, there are around 350 million which are fake.
I will give you another way of looking at it. I asked Sunil Mitra this question because they are the people, because in the age of your managers, your job is to give the better valuation of your company. How will you give it? Your turnover has gone up, or you say your market is much better, we are adding 100 million phones every month or every year. I said 900 million, total population of India is how much? 1200 million people as of now. Out of 1200 million, how many are toddlers? 400 million, 5 years and less. So you are left with 800. Out of which 800 million people, how many people are living in tribal areas who are not accessible? 200 million. You are left with 600 million people. Out of 600 million, how many are women? Half are women, 300 gone. Out of those 300, if 150 we can afford, okay, 150 gone. So you are left with 450 million people. And out of it, 5 plus 11 are not taken away yet. You take out another 5 plus 15 who are not allowed to use the mobile phone now, everybody uses it. Another 100 million. So you are left with total population of 350 million people who can afford a phone, who can have a phone. Then out of which 100 million are below poverty line. So you are left with 250 million people who can afford a phone. How can I have 900 million in this case? Unless somebody has got 5 more. So you are saying fake. I am saying this is numbers which are being allotted. They are being thrown. So they are going and adding the numbers 900. So you are not asking the question why here. You are giving some answer. I went to IIT Bombay, nobody had the answer. They are always supporting. Oh, ho sakta hai 900, why not? I said that is what you are paid 90 lakh na, to say this, why not? Because you will be hired as 90 lakh because you will say yes, no 900 नहीं है, 1200 से भी 1500 हो सकता है. हर एक बच्चे के बाद 2 फोन है, उठता ही है, पैदा होते ही फोन सुनना शुरू करता है. हेलो. So question I am saying, why? You must ask why in this question. Why the bathroom is not working? Why the road is not working? Once you start why question, then you have the power to influence politics. That is how you can use your power. Because you will find some answers which you may not be aware of earlier. For example, I raised the question why. Some of you must have understood it. If you do a little more mathematical understanding of the whole show, you will find the whole business of telecommunications and car is just meant to promote people. Well, those who are in the telecom companies, all of them got it free. All of them are richest now, $50 billion net worth. This is your money and my money. Yes, we are better placed now. It is a good thing which has happened. But as somebody called yesterday, crony capitalism, because some people started making money, some people are not making money. Still 40% of the people live below the poverty line. Unless these private institutions had not come up, you would not have good colleges also here. So then you must know why of it. Then having known what, where and why, you have acquired enough power to plan what I call what next. Having known the market of your competitor, having known the politics, if you are in BJP, you know what is happening in Congress, what is happening in BSP, what is happening in SP, what is happening in Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, everybody says, always criticizing, she is negative. People sitting in Delhi, they abuse her. But she wins there. CPM won election 7 times in West Bengal without developing the state. So people sitting on TV every day, people like me giving bhashan without knowing what is happening in Bengal. I decide who will vote for Mamata Banerjee or who will vote for Modi. If you look at Indian English television, you will find Modi is the Rakshas, Mamata Banerjee is Bewkoof. But people of Bengal and Gujarat think they are the only kings there. They know their job. So you should not form opinion on the basis of what you listen on TV or read in English newspaper. You must do your primary research, get information at your own level rather than depending on secondary sources of information. Then you must plan your what next. Because you can influence politics if you are, without politics, because how you get municipal corporation people whom to vote, unless you have the information about each one of them, you don't know how to vote for them. So what next becomes your mission? Because if you have to have a mission, you must have the previous 3, what, where and why. So what next you have to plan? That I want to give where I am working in the company, I want to say they are giving me product, I want to increase my market share from say 5% to 7%. If you are in a college running an institute, you must get better students. How do I attract the better students? Or how I make the good student better? I always talk about good colleges. I did a study of myself because I did not go to St. Stephen. I went there, they called me for a dinner lecture. After that, they never called me because I said what I wanted to say. St. Stephen College admits almost 100% students which have 90% and above. And they are all from good families, most of them. And after 3 years, when you look at the output they produce, this is the input which they are getting into college, good students